Hey everybody, this is DrDomVonDoom, and we're going to do something a little different today. So what I'm thinking is, usually every Monday, I try to pick up a couple of packs at our local comic shop. Shout out to the comic shop. And I always get something different each time. I've opened a lot of M14 since it just came out, and I don't have a whole lot of Return to Ravnica. Like I've said in a previous video, I've just kind of begun with Magic. I got a lot of Dragon's Maze. I got a fair amount of Gate Crash, but I don't have a lot of Return to Ravnica. So I figured if I'm going to be opening packs anyway on Mondays, I might as well record it and let you guys in on the fun. So, without further ado, let's the fun begin. These are way easier to crack this way. That's my lucky way. Every time I've cracked packs like that, it always ends up well, I think. So, we have a trained caracal. Chronic flooding. Let's see if I can get a better. There we go. Chronic flooding. Giant growth. Nothing wrong with that. Goblin electromancer. Grizzly salvage. Downsize. Explosive impact. How much is that? Kind of expensive. Stonefair Crocodile. DrDomVonDoom Imp. Doorkeeper. For our uncommons. Security Blockade. Enchant land. When Security Blockade enters the battlefield, put a 2/2 white knight creature token with vigilance on the battlefield. It's a 3-drop. Yeah, you could put that in a token deck, I guess. Psychic Spiral. Shuffle all cards from your graveyard into your library. Target player puts that many cards from the top of his or her library into his or her graveyard. Not bad. Blood-Free Giant. And the rare Dreadbore. That's not bad. And we got a Forest and a Dreadbore. Love cracking packs. It's the best part of Magic. Well, the playing's the best part, but it's a close second. I'll put those over here, and we'll grab pack number 2. Crack this bad boy open. Let me know if you guys like going through the commons or not. If not, I can always just skip right to the uncommons, but if you're new like me, sometimes you like to take a second and look at the cards a little better. So first off, we got Mizium Skin, Catacomb Slug, Eyes in the Sky, Survey the Wreckage, Vassal Soul, Sundering Growth, Zelesnia Guildgate, a Grim Roustabout, Towering Indrik, Runewing. Alright, so our first uncommon is a key rune. Is it? Second is Pyro Converge. Third is a Golgari Charm. And the rare Hollowed Fountain. Nice Shockland. Gotta love that. And a Worm token. Nice. I love Shocklands. So we're gonna put, let's see, kind of put this guy over here. Shockland over here with Dreadbore. We can put that in that pile. So we're going to pack number 3. Like I said, let me know what you guys think. If you guys like me going through the comments or not. Also, I put a trade binder update. Well, it's not really update. It's my first trade binder up. So look through that, see what you guys think. Also, I suppose there's some things that are already gone. The oozes, the scavenging oozes, those are pretty much all taken. The mutavaults, the 2 mutavaults, those are gone. And I think someone's interested in the Voice of Resurgence. So cancel. Maybe I shouldn't put those there. Put those over here. Frostburn Weird. A Trestle Troll. Dead Reveler. Stealer of Secrets. Knightly Valor. Splatter Thug. And our first uncommon is a Racecourse Fury. Enchant land. Enchanted land has target creature gains haste until end of turn. I like that. That's cool. Heroes Reunion. Player takes 7 life. Very nice. Judge's Familiar. I played this in MTGO on my White Weenie deck. And the rare Lawless Troll. Sweet, we got one of these. And we get an island and a tip card. So, put this guy over here. Whoop, you're not supposed to be here. And put Lawless Troll there. Roll for our 4th pack. Man, these open way easier than the Dragon's Maze did. I did a unboxing, and I should have filmed it. I cracked a box of Dragon's Maze about a week ago, and those packs do not open like that very easily. Okay, so we got Aerial Predation, Chronic Flooding, second one of those, Augur Spree, Common Bond, Viashino Racketeer. You don't want to peek ahead too fast. Cremate, Selesnya Sentry, Downsize, Explosive Impact, Stonefair Crocodile. For the first uncommon, Rites of Reaping, Ultimate Price, that's very nice. Slime Molding, also awesome. Does that mean there's a rare? No. I was going to say if there's a... And the rare is Nivet Mizzet, Drago Genius, very nice. Mythic, nice. Flying, whenever Niv Mizzet, Draco Genius, deals damage to a player, you may draw a card. And he's got one blue, 1 red. He deals the damage to a target creature or player. Very nice. It's kind of high cost, though. 6 drop. Well, it's not too bad. Izzet card. I don't really play Izzet. I've kind of wanted to, but I never really had the chance. Let's see. I need to stop putting these here. Augur Spree, Chronic, and Aerial. So far our rares are Hallowed Fountain, Dreadbore, a Lotleth Troll, and we have 1 mythic, Niv Mizzet. So, whoop, here's to 1 more mythic. Let's see what we can get. around. Okay. So we have Ethereal Armor, Pursuit of Flight, a Drainpipe Vermin, Common Bond, Rakdos Shred Freak, Downsize, Concordia Pegasus, I hope I said that right, Concordia, another Cremate, Battlehorn, or Batterhorn, an Action Injunction. First uncommon is 1-drop, Codex Shredder. Target player puts the top card of his or her library into his or her graveyard, and 5-turn, sacrifice Codex Shredder, return target creature from your graveyard to your hand. Second one, Dregmangler. Haste, plant zombie, 3/3 is a 3-drop. Scavenge and haste. It's okay, I guess. If you're playing, I guess, Golgari. I think that's what black and green is. Rakdos Ringleader for strike. 3/1 for 6, huh? It's got this, but still, I don't know. And the rare, Archon of the Triumvirate. I believe I'm saying that right. This is a Azorius. Creature, Archon, flying. Whenever Archon of the Triumvirate attacks, detain up to 2 target non-land permanents your opponent's control. It's a 4/5. And a Goblin token, and that guy. Pretty sweet. I don't know, I'm not familiar with a lot of Ravnica, so there might be something in here. I know the Hollowed Fountain is probably worth like $10. So, but I'm not sure about the rest of these cards, what they're really worth. And here's to the last pack. So if you guys like, go ahead and like, subscribe if you want. I'll be doing this every Monday, as often as I can. You know, if I don't, I'll definitely let you guys know. And also, if I do a trade binder update, you might want to know when that's happening too. So, all right. So, Trader's Instinct, Rootborn Defense. That's a pretty good card. Dispel, Golgari Guildgate, Trans-Guild Promenade. Never seen this. When Trans-Guild Promenade enters battlefield, sacrifice it unless you pay 1. Add 1 mana of any color. Oh, that's not bad. Vassal Soul. Oh, snap. I wasn't even looking. Rune Wing. Sorry about that, guys. Stab Wound, very nice. Knightly Valor, Towering Idric. First uncommon, a Civic Saber. Second uncommon, a Selesnya Charm. Third uncommon, there we go, Azorius Justicar. And our rare, Pack Rat. Pack Rat's power and toughness are equal to the number of rats you control. Okay. And a Rhino, and I'm up. Alright guys, well that's it. We got our Niv Mizzet, Pack Rat, Arcane of the Triumvirate, Lotleth Troll, or Hallowed Fountain, and a Dreadbar. So overall, I would say not a bad $20 spent. All right, well, I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for joining me.